unboxing session. Today we are going to do the unboxing for the Maisto KTM 1290cc SUPERDUKE car, and this is the bike that inspired all the KTM 200s and 125s that we see on the streets. The design has been taken from this, and it's been altered to fit the required performance for the Indian roads. And especially this product, it's been again sent from AliExpress, and I'll leave the store details and everything, the purchase link in the description, so that if you guys are interested, you guys can go check them out. And sometimes these products are cheaper in India. You can also get these products on Amazon, Flipkart. I'll leave the link if I can find them. And sometimes these products are even much cheaper in AliExpress. So why this thing is different from the Indian market is whatever you see on the back of the box is not in English, or it doesn't say the MRP or sold or imported. This thing is bought from China, and it's all based as per the China markings and writings, and so I do not have much of the information. I have to go with whatever I can see and observe. So the box did come a bit crushed, and it's been lying on my desk for the past 2 months, and of course it was on transit for 6 months. So the product is technically around half an year old maybe, and the box is not in a good condition. So I have finally decided to take it off the box and let the vehicle enjoy some fresh air. So without any delay, let's get into the unboxing. So Maisto, the company who manufacture these, have the right license to produce or to create the scale models of these vehicles. As you can see, you have a few more licensing: Ducati, Honda, Kawasaki, KTM's, and MV, Yamaha, and many more. So as of now, I have this is the biggest scale product out of everything. Mostly is 1:64s, 1:32s, and this would be the elephant in the room kind of situation, where this is a big one. It's a die-cast 1:12 scale, and it's +3, and it is very safe for kids 3, because it does have small moving parts, but they are robust, they are well built, so hence we do not have any issues. So let's see, let's be careful. The box is already has gone through a lot of damages. Been some struggle to get this thing off. Okay, it's already torn inside, so I'm putting some dust. Let's put this there. So now we have the plastic packaging that's protecting the product itself. So let's remove this as well. So it's a 2-piece plastic protection. Just throw that away, and the bike itself, this as well. So now you can see the bike in its complete glory. So there you have some more details, as it says SUPERDUKE KTM 1290. That is the reference towards the engine displacement. That's cc. So this is a 1290cc engine, and you also have more 1290. This bike has original to the real bike references, and even each individual bits, and you even have the engine markings. It says LCB KTM, and and you also have a small side stand on this end so that you can place the bike like this. Let me just adjust my camera. So you can place the bike and the steering does turn. You have a free movement for those. You can even adjust the rear suspensions. As you can see, they do go back and forth, and you can see the disc brake. The disc brake moves with the rear wheel, and it's not something staying. It's not something that doesn't move or something stationary. And you have the double disc brake options on the front as well, just like the same the real life KTM. And you do have the indicators, license plate holders, the headlights, the speedometers. Let me see if I can get some clarity in front here. Does it focus this? Well, for some reason my camera chooses not to focus certain details, and I hate my life for a number of reasons as well. So as you can see, the bike is made up of not only the die-cast metal, as you can see. You're making me look bad here. So the vehicle also has, now this part is plastic, this part is metal, this part is again plastic, and even on this side, this whole portion is plastic, even including the rear part. Everything else is plastic except for the tank, that is metal. And you also have a big radiator, liquid cooled engine, everything this as same as the original bike. You also have a number plate that says Maisto. If you are creative enough, you could replace it with whatever you want. And you have the barrel exhaust, the underbelly, and you also have those exhaust pipes leading to the exhaust tip, and the chain do not move, but you still have them, and the turning radius is comparatively little compared to the real bike, but again it is something nice to have on your table, like when you have a bunch of models and you wish to have them. And of course these are very good collector products, those who are interested in automobiles and motorcycles. This is something you can give them and they would be really impressed, and they wouldn't know how much time goes by staring at these things. I personally enjoy them, looking at them. And again, my camera is, I'm pretty sure it's broken. Yeah, and there is the speedometer and all details which I wanted to show you guys earlier. You have those writings, and on the left side you have a mini screen, and you do have the ignition area where you insert the key. Then you have the tank, fuel tank cap, and the front bumper. The disc brakes are by Brembo. Of course these are extremely small, and they have managed to make the brandings and everything else as accurate as possible. And even on the engine it says Motor X. So completely it's of course it's a Maisto, and the Maisto Hot Wheels, they are kings in these kind of areas, and there is nothing that we have to question them. They are the best and the best. of these. They have also managed to keep it as a single swing arm as per the original bike. Of course, it's an diecast scale model of the existing bike, which costs millions and millions of dollars. So yeah, that would be the end of this unboxing. I hope you guys liked the unboxing, and soon I'll be doing some more close-up shots with this, and I'll do stick around to see them, some close-up shots, some slow-mos maybe, and to give you a clear picture how this thing looks under different scenarios and everything.